everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 15 smart home and daily use gadgets that can make your life easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. From powerful cleaning tools and smart home devices to winter essentials and useful kitchen items, this list has something for everyone. All the products are available on Amazon and links are in the description below. So let's get started with product number 1. Product number 1 is the Blestan Handheld Vacuum. This is a powerful, lightweight, and cordless vacuum cleaner, perfect for car, home, and office cleaning. It comes with strong suction power that easily removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair. The built-in LED light helps you clean dark corners and tight spaces. It is easy to use, easy to carry, and has a washable HEPA filter. If you want quick and hassle-free cleaning, this vacuum is a great choice. Product link is in the description below. Product number 2 is the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop. This is a powerful, cordless floor cleaner designed for easy and deep cleaning. It features dual spinning mop pads that remove dirt, stains, and sticky messes effortlessly. The cordless design gives you full freedom to clean tiles, hardwood, and marble floors. With its lightweight body and long battery life, cleaning becomes fast and comfortable. Perfect for daily home cleaning with less effort and better results. Product link is in the description below. Product number 3 is the Vanpopubs Automatic Trash Can 2-pack. This is a smart, touchless trash can that makes your daily routine more clean and hygienic. It comes with a motion sensor lid, so it opens automatically when you move your hand near it. No touching, no germs, and no bad smell. The sleek and modern design looks perfect in kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. It helps keep your space neat, organized, and odor-free. If you want a hands-free and modern waste solution, this product is very useful for daily life. Product number 4 is the ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. This is a reusable and eco-friendly tool designed to remove pet hair quickly and easily. It works perfectly on sofas, beds, carpets, blankets, and car seats. No batteries, no electricity, and no sticky tape required. Just roll it back and forth, and it collects pet hair inside the container. It is easy to clean, easy to use, and saves money over time. If you have dogs or cats at home, this tool is a must-have for daily cleaning. Product number 5 is the Apofial Digital Picture Frame. This is a modern digital photo frame that lets you display your favorite memories beautifully. You can easily upload photos and videos using Wi-Fi or a mobile app. The high-resolution display makes every picture look bright, clear, and colorful. It's perfect for home decor, family photos, or gifting to loved ones. You can update photos anytime, from anywhere, making it very special for families. If you want a smart and emotional gift, this digital frame is a great choice. Product number 6 is the Exluvon Fridge Deodorizer. This is a small but powerful gadget that keeps your fridge fresh and odor-free. It absorbs bad smells from food, leftovers, and fruits, ensuring your fridge always smells clean. It's easy to place, works silently, and lasts for a long time without any maintenance. Perfect for kitchen, office, mini fridges, or dorm rooms, it keeps your food environment healthy and pleasant. If you want a simple and effective way to fight fridge odors, this deodorizer is definitely worth it. Product number 7 is the Govee Smart Plug 15A. This is a smart home device that lets you control your appliances remotely using a mobile app or voice commands. You can turn devices on or off from anywhere, set schedules, and even automate your daily routines. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it perfect for a modern smart home setup. The compact design fits easily into any socket without blocking other outlets. If you want to save energy and make your home smarter, this smart plug is a simple and effective solution. Product number 8 is the Wireless Charger iPhone Charging Station. This is a fast and convenient charging solution for your iPhone and other Qi-enabled devices. Just place your phone on the pad and it starts charging automatically, no cables needed. Its compact and stylish design looks great on desks, nightstands, or office tables. It's perfect for quick charging at home or work, keeping your devices ready all day. If you want a neat, tangle-free, and modern charging solution, this wireless charger is really handy. Product number 9 is the Swann Buddy Video Doorbell 2-piece set. This is a smart security device that helps you monitor your home from anywhere. It comes with high-definition video, motion detection, and two-way audio, so you can see and talk to visitors easily. The wireless setup makes it easy to install on any door, and it works day and night with clear video. Perfect for home security, package monitoring, or keeping an eye on pets and kids. If you want to enhance your home safety with a simple, smart device, this video doorbell is an excellent choice. Product number 10 is the HYLEORY Heated Electric Blanket. This is a cozy and warm electric blanket designed to keep you comfortable during cold nights. It features adjustable heat settings, so you can choose the perfect temperature for sleeping, reading, or relaxing. The blanket is made from soft, plush material, making it gentle on the skin and extremely comfortable. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a gift for loved ones. If you want to stay warm and cozy easily, this heated blanket is a fantastic choice. Product number 11 is the raydrop Cool Mist Humidifier. This device helps add moisture to the air, making your home more comfortable and healthy. It is perfect for dry rooms, especially during winter or air-conditioned spaces, preventing dry skin, irritation, and sinus problems. The quiet operation allows you to use it while sleeping, working, or studying without disturbance. Its sleek and modern design fits any room decor. If you want to breathe easier and improve air quality, this cool mist humidifier is a smart choice. Product number 12 is the electric fireplace heater for indoor use. This is a stylish and functional heater that keeps your room warm and cozy during cold weather. It features adjustable heat settings and a realistic flame effect, giving your space a comfortable and inviting ambiance. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or small apartments, it adds both warmth and decor to any room. The heater is safe, easy to use, and energy efficient, making it ideal for daily use. If you want a practical and cozy solution for winter, this electric fireplace heater is a great pick. Product number 13 is the KNKA Air Purifier. This is a high-performance air purifier designed to keep your home air clean and healthy. It removes dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and other allergens, making it perfect for allergy sufferers and families. The compact design fits easily in any room, while the quiet operation allows it to run without disturbing your daily activities or sleep. With its modern design and efficient performance, it helps create a fresher, cleaner living environment. If you want to breathe easier and improve indoor air quality, this air purifier is an excellent choice. Product number 14 is the Dfacio 11-piece Crevice cleaning brush set. This set includes multiple brushes designed to clean every nook and cranny in your home. It's perfect for tight spaces, keyboards, vents, car interiors, and small household appliances. The brushes are durable, easy to use, and efficient, making cleaning faster and more precise. With this set, even the hard-to-reach areas become easy to clean, keeping your home spotless and organized. If you want a simple tool to reach every corner, this Crevice brush set is a must-have for daily cleaning. Product number 15 is the magnetic plastic wrap dispenser. This practical kitchen gadget makes using plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or parchment paper much easier. Its magnetic design attaches to your fridge, keeping it within easy reach, and the built-in cutter ensures clean, precise cuts every time. Perfect for meal prep, cooking, and storing leftovers, it keeps your kitchen organized and efficient. That's it for our 15 must-have home and kitchen gadgets. Like, subscribe, and check the description for all product links so you never miss our tips and reviews.